Hello guys, my name is Sentu Pereira and I am the leader of the Gen Zs and the front-end developer of ArduinoTutor.com website. So, I will be demonstrating the home page and the Spring Boot page, which is our topic page. So, as you can see, there's a little hover effect when you hover the cursor on the navigation links over here on the navigation bar. So, as you can see, the home button is highlighted. This is happening because it's the active page right now. So if I just click on this Spring Boot, it will be highlighted instead of home. So let's go back to home. And as you can see, here you have a watch demo button. You can click on it to watch the demonstration in YouTube. Then I have some topics over here. So this is basically what we have to offer in our content page. So what is a framework, what is the Spring Boot framework is all about, so everything will be found in the content page. So I'll get back to this help center a little bit later. So we have the Facebook page linked over here, the YouTube channel, the Discord server, and the Instagram account, and as well our tutor's email address. So as I told you before, this is where the main content lies in the website. So what is a framework, what is the Spring Boot framework, and some companies that uses the Spring Boot framework up to this day: Amazon, Udemy, Google, and Netflix. So these are some of the leading sites that you could find in the modern society. So they're still using the Spring Boot framework. So we have some alternatives that you can use instead of using this framework. So Django, Play, the Spring Cloud is some of the alternatives. Fine. So moving on to the predictions. So according to our analysis, if the Spring Boot framework keeps its popularity in this level to an extent, it will remain in the top tier of the hierarchy. So you can find some more information about this conclusion. So we have a comparison between Django and the Spring Boot framework, and then a comparison between Spring Cloud and Spring Boot. So here we have some related terms with the Spring Boot framework. So here is the actual terms, and here is an aside that illustrates more about the given facts. So this is done by adding an aside as well. So this is done by adding an aside again. So if I come over here, you can see the inversion of control is divided into two: bean factory and application context. And here's some more information about that fact. So I told you that I would come back to this. So this is the help center banner. This would be in everywhere in our website, which that is crucial. So in every page that is crucial for the user, this banner will appear. So if you click on this, you will be redirected to our help center. So let me come back. Then we have socials as the footer. I explained it before. So the About Us tab will be demonstrated by Hans.
Thank you, Senithu. Hello everyone, I'm Hansi Punsandani and I will be presenting the third page, that's the About Us page of our website. Senithu Pereira is the leader of our team. He was responsible for developing the front end and the back end of our website. Ranudhi, me, and Lakshan was responsible for finding all the relevant content, and we added references to make the content more reliable. Mahesh Chaturanga was in charge of graphics designing and he made the icon of our team. Minha and Minuka were in charge of finding images, making the structure and the layout of the website, and doing the final editing. That concludes my section, and now I will hand over to Lakshan to continue with the next part.
Hi, I'm Lakshan. I'm a member of the research team and I'm going to explain the Contact Us page. And we have a form that when it's filled will send us an email in this format. Then we have a Google Map link to our headquarters. This is made with the iframe tag. And the help center page will be explained by me.
I'm Neha Khan and I'm one of the architects for this website, and I welcome you to our Help Center page. This page was made using HTML and CSS with the goal of assisting in addressing problems and offering the best customer service possible. So, in order for you viewers to submit any issues, I'm going to demonstrate how to use this issue ticket form. To submit an issue ticket, simply complete the form with your name, email subject, the relevant issue from the list of options, your email address, and a detailed explanation of your problem. Now, you can send us your issue by clicking the Submit Issue Ticket button after you have completed all the required fields. As soon as we receive your issue ticket, our team will do everything necessary to resolve it. We appreciate your client feedback and strive to offer the best customer service. Thank you. Now my colleague Vanadi will take over from here.
Hello, I am Ranadi. I'm one of the members of our research team, and this is our quiz page. Before you enter the quiz page, you should fill out with this form with your name, student ID, and Gmail. There are 10 questions. The first one is a radio button question, second one is a checkbox, third one is a drop list, fourth, fifth, and sixth are text input, and 7 is also a radio button question. Then 8 is again a drop list, 9th one is a text input, and 10th one is a ranking question. So then I'm doing a quick demonstration to understand how this quiz page is working. So after submitting, you will see a form. This form is made by the answers that you put into your questions. So then I'm again going to the quiz page. So that's all about the quiz page. Thank you. Now the reference page will be explained by Minika.
Hi, I am Yoga. I am a member of the architecture team and I am going to explain the reference page. Here are the references our team members take information to build the Spring Boot website. I made the social media account for the website such as Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. And the enhancements page will be explained by Maish.
Hi, I'm Mahesh. I'm the graphic designer of the team and I will be explaining the enhancement page. So basically these are the enhancements that we have done. First off, the Help Center. Help Center is the main enhancement that we have done. Then the Google Maps that have been added to the Contact Us page. Last but not the least, the animations that have been added to the pages, the improvements that have been added to the overall aesthetic of the page.